Good evening, folks. Like I said, welcome to the Downer Food and Lifestyle channel. This is where we bring to you nothing but the best. We bring you everything based on what I do, some stuff that's surpassed in my life. You know, pretty bit of here and there stuff. But before we do that, here we go. Welcome to Aunt May 13 Blend Spices. And it's 100% natural, no additives, no preservative, no salt. It's an all-purpose and it goes on anything. All right, not to say this, but this video is about the sourdough starter, and this is day 7 after sourdough starter. And yes, I did bring out my thing to measure the stuff, and yes, it did rise, and it stays up. So, which means it's a good indication of what's going on the inside. Yes, we got the fermented inside, and it's still smelling nice and good on the inside. So, what we're gonna do now, we're gonna mix it up. But today, I'm gonna add one cup of flour to the mix today again, because like I said, my ultimate goal is to make my sourdough bread. That's my ultimate goal, and we are down to that final process to do that. And I can tell you, making sourdough bread is also another process, because it does take a little bit to actually, some time to actually get itself in to do what it's doing. So I think there's like a day and a half process for it. If don't quote me, but based on the mix, based on what I've seen, some of the recipes I've seen so far, you gotta knead the flour, get it rested, do this to it, put it up for a little bit, get it climatized and let it do its thing. All right. So, like I said before, for every cup is half cup of water to 1 cup of flour. They do the mix where they do it by the grams. I feel comfortable doing it by the cups. So with that, we had that in there. And this is where I pull that bust up shut base from. So this is the experimental part of the bust up shut that I'm doing. And that's a tray bust up shut. This is the baseline. This is that mix that made that nice outer end of it, so to speak, that I liked. And I made just do something, and I saw the thing come out nice, and a pretty decent mix, so to speak, I got. So because I got that, I said, okay, you know what, I try making it with fried dumpling, but it oozed. When I say it oozed, I mean the middle just popped out the side and started going. So I said, you know what, let me try and see what it looks like with this. So one of my other thing I might do also is since I've done since I'm making some curry chicken, I've created some season up some curry chicken. I cooked that. I'm gonna make some patty. And some curry patty, chicken curry patty. Yeah, and see how that work. Yep, that's what we're gonna do. But yeah. Yeah, so I'll mix it up, get all the stuff out of it, get it nice and smooth, no lumps in there. Oh baby, baby, it's a wild world. Oh, like a child girl. Oh baby, baby, it's a wild world. Yeah, listening to that Maxi Priest bring back memories, yeah? Yeah. Said he wanna start something too. Don't be a bad girl. Take good care. Oh baby, baby, it's a wild world. Oh baby, baby, it's a wild world. Yeah. So, you know, like to drop stuff back in where it's supposed to be. You know. So this is mixed. So now we're down to the point where we are ready to do. Like I said, I gotta find me that thing. Find me the recipe. Find me a decent recipe. So, like we always say, we go around and clean the inside of this stuff. The bubbles are still in on it. Bubbles are still in on it, which is a good thing. You know, and that mix is completed. So now we're gonna raise this up to watch where it rises again. So, like I said, this is day 7, and pretty much, literally, it's now not ready to use today. Like I said, do not close the lid. Keep the lid loose where air can get through it. That's the process which they've explained. Do not close it down because you don't want it then when you open it go poof. Try to open and it split right out. Okay, so with this around it, this shows me where it raised to. Before it just raised like about a 1/4 inch over it. This is okay. Always put in a nice and safe place. This mix started on the 1st of the 25. Alright, so we're gonna drop this back in the location. What I'm thinking about is doing, this is the original bottle for mixing. So I'm gonna take out some of that and put in here so I can keep that going. So inside there is between 80 and 78 degrees. Okay. Yes, folks. So I'm gonna enjoy my tea. And this is a mixed brew too, all imported stuff. It's good for diabetic, stomach issue, all that stuff that's going on. I've got some of that, so with that, it's helping to reduce a lot of stuff, reducing, you know, weight gain and all that stuff. So back again, like I said, if you ever need an Aunt May 13 blend spice, just reach out to me in the bio, send me an email, leave me a link, leave me an info, and says reach out to you. My email is on there as well, so you can definitely reach out to me. Thank you for watching. Peace out.